Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to master Clockify from beginner to advanced level. Whether you're a freelancer, remote worker, project manager, agency owner, or part of a large team, this guide will help you get the most out of Clockify's time tracking and productivity features. So let's get started. First, begin by setting up your Clockify workspace correctly. A well-organized workspace is the foundation of effective time tracking. Create projects, define tasks, add clients, and establish a clear structure before you start tracking time. Next, learn how to use the time tracker efficiently. Enter task descriptions, assign projects, and start the timer whenever you begin working. Get into the habit of tracking time in real time instead of estimating it later. Once you're comfortable with basic time tracking, start organizing your work using projects and tasks. Projects help separate different areas of work, while tasks provide detailed tracking within each project. Another important step is learning how to use billable and non-billable time. Mark client work as billable and internal activities as non-billable. This distinction is critical for understanding profitability and managing invoices. You should also become familiar with the timesheet feature. Timesheets are useful when you need to enter hours manually or review an entire week's work in a single view. As your workflow grows, start using tags and categories to organize activities more effectively. Tags allow you to analyze work patterns and generate more meaningful reports. Next, master Clockify's reporting tools. The reports section provides insights into productivity, project performance, billable hours, team activity, and time allocation. Learn how to use summary reports for high-level analysis and detailed reports for examining individual time entries. These reports are essential for identifying trends and making informed decisions. And that's how to master Clockify in 2026. By combining accurate time tracking, project organization, billable hour management, team collaboration, and advanced reporting, you can transform Clockify into a powerful productivity and project management system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.